Okay, in this video we are going to discuss how to create a table, that is using page list by Wizard process. In previous video we have created in manual process, but in this video we will create by using Wizard process. Wizard process means using App Studio. Exactly, you are right. Yep, let it open, we'll see. Okay, before that I'll run our case type, then we'll see. It's loading. Okay. I think I have teach you the concept of uh, 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 case ID modification already I told you. I think yes, this one I already completed. Okay, we'll see once I open the case type, then we can get an idea. Create a case and test it. I'll see. Array, it's loading. Okay, in vehicle info, I think we have created that one, right? If I'm not wrong. Yes, this is the thing. You can give that add item. You can give the details here because we kept it only read only format. That's why it's not giving. We need to add manually add items and need to give the data. If we want, we can change it from section. We can go to section and edit it. Okay, but we'll see now. Okay, by default we can give the value that using py default as well. We can do in multiple ways. Okay, that's not a big deal. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you another requirement by using App Studio. Okay, what is my requirement? I have written here. Okay, create a new screen using Wizard process. Okay, okay, we'll see. Now I'm closing this. Discard it, close it. Okay, this is my Dev Studio. First, we need to create a data class. For creating this thing, we need a data class, right? Okay, let me hide. Okay, O is not working. That's why we need a data class. Okay, why we are creating data class for data modeling purpose. Okay, to clear accessibility and all, we need to create a data class, which I told you in previous videos. I'll show you my video content as well. Okay, no, not an issue. Okay, so first I'm creating data type. So in Dev Studio we call data class. I think in App Studio it's different, but the result will be same. We will go to data type only. In App Studio we'll go to some. I'll show you that as well. Okay, let it be. I'll show you. Wait. If we go to App Studio, we can create from here also. This is data. It's loading. If we click on new and we create data type here, okay, we can go with Dev Studio. Okay, by creating new, we already created. Okay, let's do from Dev Studio now. Okay, data type, drag down, add data type. Label name is, what is my data type name? I have asked you to claims. Claims class, this one. Okay, we are creating a data class, that's it. Description claims. Okay, let it be. Oh, it already came here. Okay, let's create an organization data class. Organization data class, then it should be framework. Okay, okay, submit. Now it will ask us to add the fields. We'll add the fields. Fields are nothing but properties, exactly. Yes. What are the fields I asked you to add? Claim ID, policy ID, claim ID. Claim ID should be text only, let it be. Submit and add another policy ID. Policy ID. Next, claim amount. Array, I would have changed that one, no? Okay, let it be. I'll change there somewhere. Okay, claim date and claim reason. Okay, submit. Okay, it's not giving me to change the option, so I'll delete it and I'll add one more. Claim amount, okay. Claim amount. I'll change this type to, okay, currency. Where is my currency? This one, okay. Submit. Okay, now, okay, save it. Now, we'll go to App Studio. We can see whether it is created or not. Claims class has been created. Properties are created. Okay, okay, save it. So, nothing to worry now. I'll go to case type, our vehicle insurance class. I'm going to create a new step, new stage and steps here. Okay, no need to create section and all, it will create automatically. Create a new stage. Okay, drag and drop here. Okay, what is my case name? I asked you to create previous claims. To add a process, we need to create a step, claim details. Okay, configure view. Now we need to create a page list, right? Okay, add fields, field name. We are creating page list, so that I selected page list. Instead of text, what we need to select? Embedded data. Okay, hope you remember this thing. When we created page also, we selected embedded data. Data object, where it should takes from. Okay, it should takes from claims class. List single record means it will create a page, but I want page list, so I'm selecting list of records. Okay, submit it. So by default, it's taking a table. Okay, all right. We'll see now. Submit it. Before going to test our case, we'll see whether all things are created or not on vehicle insurance class. We'll see now. Okay. Okay. Uh, Go to app. Okay. Where is my vehicle class? Okay. I have pinned here. No? User interface. See, claim details section has been created. Okay. 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 Flow action also created. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Save and run. Submit. This also I don't want. We already worked on it. Vehicle info, we already worked on it. Add item. It will come now. Okay. Okay. If we give, we can delete it as well. So, oh sorry, this is vehicle info screen. Okay. Yeah, this one. Earlier in this screen, we added item, but here it is coming by default because it will take in p by default. Okay, I'll show you that as well. No worries. Okay, so no need to add the column. We can directly give the details here. Whatever we expected, it's came here. Okay. Okay. We can change the order as well here by going to the section, but let it be as per now, as of now. Okay. The screen what we expected is came here. Okay. Now, okay. Case will complete now. Yes, exactly. So let me refresh all once. Our requirement is completed. We have done with our requirement. Okay. Okay. The screen what we expected is came now without throwing any error. Okay. That's great. Dev Studio. What I will do now. Dev Studio app. I already closed these things. No. Okay. Vantari, vantari, yes, tuntari, tuntari. అల్లరి అల్లరి మెడకు కొత్త కోక కర్రెక్కిపోయి p by default. Okay, this is where it will take the data. Okay. 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 I think data model here we can see py set defaults. Open. We'll open this one. See, this one is taking here. Okay, py label. Okay, if we add that page also, okay, it will come. Let me show you by adding it. Set. Okay, what is my screen there? Policy details, right? Okay, we can go to here. We can see from here. Okay, no worries. We'll create a case and test it. Then it will come. No. Okay. Address. This thing fine. Transaction ID. Transaction info. Commercial vehicle flow action, right? Okay. One means only one row. If you give two means it will come two rows. Okay. pyLabel I will choose. Alright. This Y is not working. It's fine. I'll copy from here. pyLabel is OOTB rule. Okay. OOTB property. Sorry, not OOTB rule. Okay. Okay. I need to check out first. Check out to save. A warning. No, I'll not worry about it. Okay. Save it. Before save it, just check. After save it, just check out. Check in. Okay, work in progress. In progress, I'll mention in progress. Okay, let it be. What is the reason? You can close it. Okay, we have checked it. No, now I'll create again the case and test it. Now the screen also will come automatically. We'll see. Hope I'm audible, right, guys? Okay, okay. I'm creating too many cases, but it's okay. See, the first line is automatically came. Earlier it was not there. We have added the added item, but here first row is automatically came because we gave the value as p in py set default. We have set the value. That's why it's coming automatically. In earlier it did not come. Okay, earlier it's coming no values, right? No items. We have to click here and add, but here it's first row is coming automatically. I have added second row. Okay, okay, okay. That's it. That's all for today. Okay. I will see in next video. Until then, bye bye. Signing off. Your Rajesh Balaka. Okay.